Samsung is reportedly planning to bring the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 to the public a bit early, with a reported release date towards the end of July. Sammobile reports that Samsung is preparing an unpacked event for the final week, or July 2023, likely between July 25th and July 27th. This is coming well ahead of schedule, as last year Samsung hosted a launch event for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 on August 10th. Samsung is also set to launch the Galaxy Watch 6 with an upgraded chip, a new series of Galaxy Tab S9 tablets, as well as new earbuds, and a sequel to its Galaxy Smart Tag tracker. Samsung has continuously refined its foldable phone formula. While the devices have more or less looked the same through the years, we've seen improvements in display tech, durability, new software tricks, and more. Of course, the internal hardware keeps getting obvious upgrades, such as more powerful SoCs and better cameras. This year, too, rumors are already painting the Galaxy Z Fold 5 as Samsung's most revered foldable ever. Will there be a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5? Samsung has consistently launched new foldable phones since 2019, and its mobile head recently said that the company's foldable phones could overtake its S-series flagships in shipments by 2025. Additionally, there are multiple rumors about the Galaxy Z Fold 5. There is no reason to doubt that Samsung will launch another set of folding phones this year. What features and specs will the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 have? We don't have a ton of official information about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. You can expect that to trickle in a couple of months before the expected August launch. However, we do have some rumors that point to multiple upgrades. Galaxy Z Fold 5 design. Samsung is said to be using a teardrop-style hinge, similar to what we've seen on the Oppo Find N2 and the Motorola Razr 2022, to ensure the two sides of the display close flat on top of each other when the device is folded. This design change is expected to reduce the appearance of the display crease. Samsung also confirmed the new hinge design to The Verge and shared some pictures of a new prototype display called the Flex In and Out that can fold both inwards and outwards. Samsung also expects Google to enter the foldable phone arena this year with the Pixel Fold, so it could see Samsung upping its design game to face tougher competition. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to be available in beige, black, and light blue color options. Galaxy Z Fold 5 specs and features. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to use a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC and be slightly taller than its predecessor. It is also said to be IP68 certified for water and dust resistance, with a 7.6-inch inner screen and 6.2 inches outer display. The most important rumor is the camera specs. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 could have a 108MP main shooter, 64MP 2x telephoto lens, and 12MP wide-angle camera. Brar disputed the Pixel's camera claims, suggesting a 50MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and 10MP telephoto camera. An S Pen slot was also on the wish list, but Samsung decided against it due to its potential to make the foldable thicker. What will the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 prices be? The Galaxy Z Fold 3 and 4 were priced at $1,799 when they launched, so it is unlikely to be priced higher than its predecessors. However, there are no pricing leaks for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, so we will update this article if and when we know more.